Hey fam, I hope you're doing great. So you must be thinking, how is investing in meme coins a safe way? As the entire crypto market in itself is volatile as hell, and most of the people think that crypto is a scam, meme coins are the bigger scam. So how is it possible to have a safe strategy to invest in meme coins? So that's what we are going to understand in this video. So now the strategy that I will be telling you is of course not 100% safe and secure, but this is one of the most safest strategy when it comes to investing in meme coins. Now a lot of normies lose their entire portfolios just buying some random coins and keeping their fingers crossed and wishing that this coin does a 10x or 100x and they will become millionaires and billionaires and they will go ahead and buy some yachts and luxury watches. But the opposite happens. They go in with $100 and come out with 99 cents remaining in their wallet. So now there is a degen way where you could open your deck screener or bird eye and keep a watch on the new upcoming coins that get listed over there. And as soon as these coins drop, you can ape in and again wish that these coins do a rally to 5x, 10x or 100x. Now you might get lucky and make a lot of money in this, or you might not get lucky and lose your entire portfolio within the first 3 to 4 meme coins that you will invest. So now coming to our safest meme coin strategy. So for this strategy, you will have to worship patience. You have to delete the word impatient from your dictionary. Okay. So what we will do is we will simply invest in the most well-known, most established meme coins that are on Solana or on the base blockchain. So for this video, we will be looking at Solana. Okay. The strategy is very simple. Go and filter like the top 10 or top 20 meme coins in the Solana meme coin space. Now, as you know, in the bull market, the top 5 to 10 meme coins usually outperform a lot of other meme coins because there is a reason why they are sitting at that top 5, top 10, top 20 mark. Okay, because the projects are strong, the devs are good, the community is crazy, and all these things add up, making them to get in the list of those top 5, top 10, top 20. So yeah, the strategy is simple. Sort the top 10 Solana meme coins. Now I have made a dedicated video on this. I will drop the link in the description where we have gone through coins like Chonky, Duco, When, Apple, Egg, and a few more, which have some very strong established community. The devs are great. They have some crazy engagement on their social media accounts, and basically the projects are too strong to get in. So right now Solana is dropping. As you know, the markets are not in a good condition. The market right now is getting ready for the bull run. So this is the right moment to get in this established coin. And in that video, which is linked in the description, you will see I have shown how these coins can easily give you like 2x, 5x or even 10x in the bull run or even before the bull run. All they have to do is just reach their all-time high and they will be easily making like 5x or 10x or 20x. And if they make new all-time highs, then that's a different scenario. Okay, do check out that video. You will understand what I'm saying. And this is the safest meme coin strategy, that you find out well-established meme projects who have some great communities, great devs, and you believe in the meme narrative. And then, as the saying goes, put your eggs in multiple baskets. Simply invest in multiple strong meme coins, and in the bull run, you will get some great results. Now, don't hold on to these coins like forever. Okay. Once you see some good profits, book the profits. Booking the profits is one of the most important factor when you are slowly and steadily leveling up your portfolio. Okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain in this video. I hope you like this safest meme coin strategy. It is very easy, might sound very cliche, but again, old school methods, the methods that have patience, have always outperformed this degen crazy method. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.